Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification so that you can stay updated. Don't ever make a friend, best friend, girlfriend, a boyfriend to believe in what you believe. Just prove it, because a friend, a best friend, a girlfriend, a boyfriend all have a word end because they end, except a family. Family has 3 letters at the end that says I love you. What is love? In maths, it's an equation. In history, it's a war. In chemistry, it's a reaction. In art, it's a heart. Happiness is not about getting everything that you want. It's enjoying all you have. Never ignore a person who cares about you, because one day you might wake up and realize that you lost the moon while counting the stars when God giving you a new beginning. Don't repeat the same mistake, because you might lose forever. Because a river never reverses, so try to live like a river. Forget about the past, focus on future. Always be positive. If you feel it's wrong, don't do it. Say exactly what you mean. Don't be people's pleasure. Trust your own instincts. Never speak bad about yourself. Never be afraid to say no. And never be afraid to say yes. Be kind to yourself. Let go of what you cannot control. Stay away from drama and negativities. Your life is your own. Don't waste it trying to be what others expect you to be. Don't sacrifice your happiness to make everybody happy. Don't give up on your own dreams. Be who you want to be. Poor background doesn't mean poor future. Do you know that your enemies doesn't stand a chance on you? Why are you suffering in your life and relationship while you have your own hands? Why are you staying while you see this is not what you want? Why are you punishing yourself while you have a right to live? Why you still giving her favors while you see she doesn't appreciate? Why are you allowing him to lead but he doesn't know the rules? Why you don't fight for what is yours?